Newfoundland is part of the Canadian province of Newfoundland and Labrador. The island was one of the first places in North America to be visited by European explorers. John Cabot is often credited with discovering Newfoundland in 1497. The island has a rugged coastline that stretches over 9,000 kilometers. Newfoundland is home to Growmore National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The island's largest city is St. John's, known for its colorful row houses. Newfoundland was the first place in North America to have its own English-speaking colony. The island is historically known for its fishing industry, particularly cod fishing. The Vikings established a settlement at Lons Meadows around 1000 AD. The island has a unique blend of cultures including Irish, English, and French influences. Newfoundland is famous for its Newfie humor, often characterized by storytelling and wit. The island has a provincial flower, the pitcher plant, which is a carnivorous plant. Newfoundland was the last province to join Canada in 1949. The island is known for its iceberg viewing, especially from April to June. The capital city, St. John's, is one of the oldest cities in North America. The island's terrain is primarily rocky and rugged, with numerous inlets and bays. The Newfoundland dog breed originates from the island and is known for its swimming ability. Puffins are a common sight along the coast of Newfoundland during the summer months. The island has its own distinct dialects, influenced by the diverse cultural heritage. The highlands of Newfoundland include some of the oldest rock formations in the world. The international airport in St. John's is named after its famous native son, John Smith. The island's weather is heavily influenced by the North Atlantic Ocean, resulting in unpredictable conditions. The Rock is a common nickname for Newfoundland, referring to its rugged landscape. The island is known for its music, with traditional folk music being an important part of its culture. Over 200 species of birds can be found on the island, making it a birdwatcher's paradise. The Bay of Islands is a popular spot for boating and kayaking in Newfoundland. The island's cuisine features seafood prominently, including dishes like fish and brews. The Newfoundland and Labrador flag features a blue field with a gold triangle and a red stripe. The island is home to several indigenous groups, including the Mi'kmaq and the Inuit. The Trans-Canada Highway runs through the western part of Newfoundland. Icebergs can be up to 10,000 years old and can be seen floating in the surrounding waters. Newfoundland has a rich history of fishing, trading, and shipbuilding. The island celebrates several festivals, including the Newfoundland and Labrador Folk Festival. A unique feature of Newfoundland's geography is the many fjords along its coast. The island has a large population of moose, with an estimated 150,000 inhabitants. The term screech refers to a type of rum that is popular among locals and visitors alike. The island is known for its warm hospitality and friendly locals. The Stephen's Day tradition involves a special Christmas celebration unique to Newfoundland. The island offers excellent hiking trails, including the famous East Coast Trail. The Beothuk were the indigenous people of Newfoundland, known for their unique culture. The island is surrounded by the cold waters of the North Atlantic, making it a prime location for marine activities. Newfoundland has its own distinct version of English, often referred to as Newfoundland English. The island played a strategic role in World War II due to its location. The Fogo Island Inn is known for its stunning architecture and luxurious accommodations. The island has a vast network of lighthouses, helping to navigate its treacherous waters. The local economy has diversified, with tourism, oil, and mining playing significant roles alongside fishing. Cape Spear, located near St. John's, is the easternmost point in North America. The island has a very low population density, with many remote communities. The Newfoundland icefields are home to some of the largest glaciers on the continent. The island's folklore includes stories of trolls, fairies, and other mythical creatures. The colorful house paint in St. John's is a trademark feature of the city. The annual regatta in St. John's is one of the oldest rowing events in North America. The island's historic sites, such as Signal Hill, offer incredible views and rich history. Newfoundland has a unique system of government known as a permissive style of governance. The island is known for the humility of its people, often described as down-to-earth and approachable. The abandoned community of Elliston is known for its puffin watching opportunities. Newfoundland has a history of shipwrecks due to its challenging waters.